But them a go listen to me, I fuck the simmers. But them a go listen to me, I fuck the biggers. You don't know. Real boss, you know, easy, you know. Guess what, go on? At the Heinz boss, at Heinzing TV. And I mean, I'm a silly face to hear the voice. You don't know. Fresh and cool. Because when you go in a cesspool, I owe them, man. Gaza forever. The boss no play. It's a sin. Yes. And we have beat them. Because them boy, I said them a gallus. And we are for the slimmers. And we are not the biggers. I owe them. The referee are different. That one is normal. Right now, I'm not itch. I go jump right into it. Cause I guess some boy get right off. Teacher show them who him really be. I'm know say, yo, watch now. It no matter what I say right now, man. I have links all about. The girl where you see your girl and my girl. Yes, and them things that the boss talk about. Watch her go on. I'm jump right in.
Born bad man, I want some boy. JD! Haters can't fuck with us. We so confident. Yeah, me full of so much style is a sin. My mommy told me she proud of.
Alright, watch her go on now. So the first thing we go do, burn bad man. Burn out them boy there. Them boy in our league. So we go burn them because them bad man. Yeah, and guess what go on now? To all me full of so much style. My mother proud of me. And that the boss me can know. To all me full of creativity. Is that mommy first say, yo, I'm glad to give birth to you. Yeah, man. Mama proud of his son for know say, yo, I'm full of car, I'm full of style, and I can't hold him. Yeah, and that's what the boss can know. Quick and easy.
Middle finger for the doubters. They can't fuck with me. They can't fuck with we. They can't fuck with we. Them think if we win, them lose. So everything we do is burn them like 12 noon. But me never give a fuck.
Alright now, third leg for the daughter. Male to female, you know something they got already. Real boss, teach them. You don't know what I go on. So guess what go on now? The boss make you know that already. So guess what go on now? The boss say, yo, them think when me win, them lose. Real boss, no. From you step out, them lose. Because I said that song, kill them right now. That man tell you. You write them off street. Because guess what again now? The boss make you know, say, yo, right now, you know, when him step out, you know, that burn them like 12 noon. You know what I'm 12 noon? 12 noon are when the sun well hot. Middle day that the sun out there. You know what I mean? Bleachers under umbrella. I saw it go kind hot out there. So you got me going to say, yo, me touch out, man. Yeah, man. I fire upon them. Sparks.
I give a fuck, I'm not a bedroom. If them violate, we put them in a them tomb. Have the rifle, them we make the head wound. Band poor, when me grow me with a lead spoon. So me tough, me know for you, so for the breadfruit. So them love to watch us so the feds move.
Yeah. So guess what go on? We not give a F. Cause guess what? That's a bedroom. Yeah, man. A bedroom, I could do something else. So me not care about nothing. Me not give up. You know what I mean? Yes. And guess what go on now? The man say, yo, if them violate, we have give them the tomb. You know what that be? 6'6". Because we not eat with them. Shallow grave style too. Now I'm playing. Yeah. So guess what go on now? The man say, yo, we got the rifle. Make the head wound. And don't feel say, you know, that can bandage up, you know. Because the man don't tell us, say, yo, a 6'6" can have a tomb phone. Yeah. And the man say, yo, my born poor. My mother never go with me a lead spoon. My mother never go with me a gold spoon. A lead spoon I go with that means say, yo, I have to take on the road. I have to tackle the street. I have to brave up myself and take it.
Watch winners. Watch me till me make you watch your sparks from the spinners. Big up everybody, ya Guyana, yo slingers. Golden girl and bust our fire slippers.
Watch her go on. The man style them again. The man say, winners watch winners. And losers watch winners. That means, you know, the man I make you know, say, him himself is a winner. You know what I mean? So him a watch our next winner. You know who? Somebody who him look up to. You know what I mean? But guess what? Them boy they we a loser. After you watch him, that the man I make you know, play the style. Remember, you know, we know them can't do about nothing. Them can't compete with him. So them is the loser. So eventually, them after you watch him. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know what I mean? The man say, yo, alright then. Since you now watch me then, watch her go on now. Me, I go make you see the sparks and the spinners. And guess what go on? Any man see the sparks and the spinners at the last time them see. Remember that. Yes. The man say, yo, big up Guyana. Remember, I've linked all about, you know. So guess you know, big up across the water. Yes, that a go on this so. The man say, yo, who all them girl and bust off her slippers? Remember, you know, God's gonna rape, you know, that's permission. So the man say, all them girl, the man don't make them all down. Hear that? That me a tell her, cause we are not the slimmers.
Both them a gallus and me a fuck the slimmers. Both them a gallus and me a fuck the biggers. Don't bother ask me how me do it.
Both them a gallus and me a fuck the slimmers. Both them a gallus and me a fuck the biggers. Guess what go on? Oh, them say them a gallus. Your girl and my girl and my girl and my girl. Remember that? A owner man? You that rookie to the thing, man. That's big.
Watch winning losers, watch winners. Watch me till me make you watch his sparks from the spinners. Big up everybody, a guy and a yo slingers. Hold them girl and bust off our slippers.
Remember, you know, the Gaza thing, the global, the empire thing, the global, world boss linkage, global. So here the boss can say, anywhere we go, we run the street, our ground, our compound. Remember that. You know what I mean? And as the boss done say from earlier, Mummy, I say, oh, I'm full of skills, so. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I guess you're going, world boss. But like, you step out on the board, man. Show the board, say, yo, watch you know. I own our compound. Right now, press like, yeah. Hashtag Gaza in the comment section. Right now. Gaza Nation.
Significant, a knife without a blade. Study people business, are you getting paid? Slow so sick, me make the medic free, the alphabetic rate. And that they make me for me talent.
World boss, where you get the murder from? The man I say, yo, them come like a knife without a blade. Brother, a knife without a blade is like nothing in a bad man. So man, can right now, is nothing to me. Right now. The man I say, yo, who know I study my style? Who know I get paid? World boss, them a thief style. But them still can't be you because they can only be one world boss. You know what I mean? Yes. And guess what I go on now? The man I'm making us right now, him style and him flow so sick. And the doctor afraid. So he come like so even wicked and COVID where they can even want to deal with that symptom. You know? Yo, they say you play around them. Man, I'm always telling you, this man sing this song that me want to hear. I mean I have to listen to nobody else. Press like right now. Hashtag Gaza Nation, right now in the comment section. Now play with them, yeah. And the man I say, yo, them hit me for my talent. That, you know, because guess what? Them cannot be me. Them cannot be world boss. So them eating for that. It's better. Stop for the man style.
Then mythical strength, miraculous mind like John 11, verse 1 to 44. Now I left my 4-4. Port more, my party more. Open back, close door. Spy can't see nothing, them can't say nothing, them can't do nothing.
Yes, it's a sin. But guess what? The man is miraculous. Guess what the man said? Yo, you, the man vocabulary wide so. Cause you hear the man say now. The man say right now in miraculous. Like John 11, verse 1 to verse 44. You know what that be? That was in the Bible that actually speak of a miraculous work that God has done. Yeah, him actually bring back Lazarus to life after him dead for about 2 years or so. Yeah. So him gonna show you how miraculous him be. And them thing that the man say, yo, you know, I put more in party more. Him left in 4-4. So it's like the man skill, the man say 44 verse and him got him 4-4 matic. Hashtag Gaza Nation right now in the comment section. Press like. I need the like button to press. Click like. Yes. And the man I say, yo, open buckle, close door. Spy can't see nothing. They must see nothing, they may know nothing. Inform or nothing, know nothing like that. So that the man I say. World boss.
Losers watch winners. Watch me till me make you watch his sparks from the spinners. Big up everybody, a guy and a yo slingers. Hold them gal and bust off our slippers. Both them a gallus and me a fuck the slimmers. Both them a gallus and me a fuck the biggers. Don't bother ask me how me do it. Anywhere me go, when me run the street.
Yeah, as you can see, or as you can hear, it's a sin from the world boss. That's on that. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Like, subscribe, share, comment, you know what I mean? Hit that post notification, you know what I mean? If you're new to the system, you know what I mean? Yeah, tell a friend, say, oh, first I get the bad review them, you know what I mean? So I guess I'll go on. We go also leave the link to that song down below in the description, so you don't know. At the Heinz boss. At the Heinzing TV. I'm out.